Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good day so far. Now, you have clicked on this video because you want to find out how to make Lotus Biscoff pancakes, and I will get to that. I was going to make those this morning, that was the plan. However, I did wake up very, very late. Ignored the alarm. It's now 20 to 2 in the afternoon. Doesn't feel like the sort of time to be having breakfast, so I've skipped over breakfast today. I'm going to have to make those in the morning. I've never made them before. They look delicious. I found it in the Pinch of Nom cooking book, the most recent one that they released. And they look really nice, so I'm going to give those a go later on in the video. I am going to be doing this actually today as well, because my wife Jo got me this for one of my Christmas presents. It's a make your own gin kit, and apparently this gin changes colour when you add a squeeze of lemon. It's been brewing in this kit. They give you the botanicals, and all you have to do is add vodka and give it a shake every few days, or no, once a day I think it was. So I've been doing that now for about 2 weeks. I think this gin is probably ready, because it's been about 2.5 weeks, and it says to leave it for up to 3 weeks to kind of marinate, if you like. I don't know if that's the right word. I'm actually having to weigh in today as well because we've got a plumber coming at some point. We had a new washing machine fitted. This is boring stuff, but I'm going to tell you anyway. We had a new washing machine fitted at the weekend. However, I can still hear it dripping from behind the washing machine, so I'm a bit concerned. I've asked the plumber to come back, so I can't really go out and do anything today. Well, I can't anyway, can I, because we're on lockdown. But I can't even really go out for a walk, or I need to pop to the supermarket and get a couple of bits. Can't even do that, so just got to wait in today until he or she comes and sorts out my washing machine. If you want to watch the bit with the pancakes, you can jump ahead using the like the scroll bar at the bottom. I've put chapters in there so you can see exactly where it is that you need to jump to. Also, hope you like the new camera. I'm filming on the Canon G7X Mark II, which is my new camera that I purchased at the start of this week. All my videos are going to be filmed on this from now on. I was filming on an iPhone 11 up to this point, but I've upgraded now to the Canon G7X Mark II. If you want to see my video where I unbox the camera, show you how it works, etc., the link is down below for that one. It is actually the last video that I released. So take a look at that one as well, because I think it's a real noticeable upgrade from the camera that I was using previously on the iPhone 11, which served me well for a long time, but needs must, time to upgrade. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying the new footage. There we go, botanicals removed. The gin is now ready to be drunk or drank, but I'm not going to have any now because it is the middle of the afternoon on a Tuesday, so it doesn't feel appropriate to have a gin just yet. But later tonight, we'll give this bad boy a taste. As you can see, it didn't really change colour. I mean, it kind of did in that it was a deep purple colour and now it's more pink, but I think that's more because I added tonic water rather than the adding of the lemon. Oh, it tastes quite nice though. It tastes quite botanically, which is, you know, to be expected because it did have berries, juniper berries floating in it for like 3 weeks, but it's nice. However, this video isn't really about gin. You actually clicked on this video because you wanted to find out how to make Lotus Biscoff pancakes. I'm not gonna leave you waiting any longer. I'm gonna go and eat my dinner, I'm gonna drink my gin, but I'll meet you tomorrow morning in that kitchen. Let's make some pancakes. And here we are. I told you we would meet in the kitchen, and we're here in the kitchen, in my tiny kitchen, and we're going to be making Lotus Biscoff pancakes for breakfast. A great way to celebrate a birthday, pancake day, or just a Thursday like today. This is what they should end up looking like right here, and this is in this book, Pinch of Nom. I mean, pancakes shouldn't be too difficult, should they? It should be fairly simple to make. So we're going to give it a go. It says it takes around 10 minutes to make, serves 2 people, the recipe in the book. And for those of you that are calorie counters, which I can't claim to be, apparently very low in calories as well. Only 307 calories per portion. Ingredients wise, you will need 2 tablespoons of Lotus Biscoff spread. You will also need 2 teaspoons of, it says caramel syrup in the book. I'm going to use maple syrup because that's what I've got in the cupboard. You'll also need some Lotus Biscoff biscuits just to crumble on top. 100 ml of milk, some low calorie oil spray for the frying pan, 2 eggs, and 40 grams of instant oat cereal, so sort of porridge that you would put in the microwave. You need 40 grams of that. It is 11:15 and I still haven't had breakfast, so I'm getting pretty hungry. Let's give it a go, shall we? This is how you make Lotus Biscoff pancakes. There you have it, everyone. The Lotus Biscoff pancakes are ready. Didn't take too long to prepare, pretty straightforward in the end. But they smell good, they smell biscoffy. Let's take the glasses off. So I'm gonna give them a go. Let's see what they're like. The taste test. Very good, you can taste the biscoffiness in the actual pancake. And obviously I've spread the Biscoff spread on the top with some biscuits crumbled up as well. So all the way through, you're just getting that Biscoff hit. So if you're looking to try something different for breakfast or for pancake day or Thursday, I recommend the Biscoff pancakes. Very, very nice and very easy to make. And there's some more. And that is it. Lotus Biscoff pancakes ticked off the list. We've made those. Hope you enjoy them. Hope you managed to make some at home. And yeah, I really, really like them. Really tasty. A great way to start the day on a Thursday. Or any day. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you coming here to watch my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe to the channel down below. Lots of other content coming your way, some of it cookery related like today, other things as well. When lockdown is lifted, hopefully we'll be able to get out and see a bit more of the world. But until then, lots of videos coming to you from here. Let me know down in the comments if there's particular videos you'd like me to take on or the ones that you enjoy the most, because I aim to please. So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.